know what it is. It's your man, Big Smoke. You know, you might be able to relate to me a whole lot better if you from somewhere like my neck of the woods. A country boy nonetheless, born southern from the west. Tennessee is in my blood, something like a family crest. It ain't just a song, I was raised in the South. True, honest, dedicated words framed from my mouth. I was humbled by a life that's full of struggle and shame, yet I was molded by an incident of heart.
Living the simple life, 365. A jacked up truck, buckshot ties. A cold Bud Light at a big bonfire. We just drinking, smoking, and tell lies. Tell lies, tell lies. You better tell them guys, as long as I'm alive. We live in a country full of
country to the bone, southern to the soul. And I'm proud of my home, cause it's dirt road. I'm top dog, ride big tall. If you can't find me in town, then you can catch me at a mud bog. Damn right, son, that's just how it is. It's grilling deer meat and frying up some fish. Around here's dirt road and some mud holes. Plenty of places to
Charlie Farley, Backwoods Boys, let's go. Hey y'all, I'm country, something this country music artist started to come see rather than being what's on TV. I mean, we all love the money, but it's rather funny to me. I ain't never had a buddy wear a pair of skinny jeans. We sitting on the creek bank with a stiff drink shooting a bull. I don't give a hoot thing, what about me, but I won't be fooled. Y'all ain't me, my roots run too deep to be pulled. Look here, I was country, rap when country rap wasn't cool. And you can find me in a fixer-up. I love her road in the dust on that truck. Finding some mud on a Saturday night. That's where I come from. Born and raised, saying grace. Some will say we shouldn't be this way, but this is my home, and this is where I belong.
Born and raised off the land, deals made by shaking hands. Family grew up saying blessings, another country lesson. Sticks and stones, brave bones, keep going on. Yes, I'm such to be this way. God put me